Wash your hands regularly. Always wash your hands before eating, after using the restroom, and after playing outside. Brush your teeth twice a day. Keep your teeth clean by brushing them in the morning and before bed. Take a bath or shower daily. Keep your body clean by bathing or showering every day. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. Regularly trim your nails and make sure they are free of dirt.
Cover your mouth when sneezing or coughing. Use a tissue or your elbow to cover your mouth, and wash your hands afterward.
Use a tissue for your nose. Use a tissue when you need to blow your nose and throw it away afterward. Throw trash in the bin. Always put litter in the trash can, whether you're at home or outside. Keep your room tidy. Make your bed, organize your toys, and keep your room neat. Wear clean clothes. Change into clean clothes every day and put dirty clothes in the laundry.
Don't touch your face with dirty hands. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth, unless your hands are clean.